Hi everyone, it's Marieta, and in today's video I want to talk about how you raise your vibration, how you improve your mood immediately when you feel down. Coming up. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button so you are notified every time I release new content. And in today's video, I really want to focus on how you raise your vibration instantly, how you change your mood instantly when you feel low or down. So let's make it happen. So there are many of us right now that we are going through so many challenges. Collectively, we are shifting. We have so many changes and shifts going on this year, 2020. It's been a very challenging year for so many of us. I would say even all of us. So how do you actually raise the vibe, especially when you feel down, when you are low, when you feel like you don't want to do anything, when you have this mood that nothing really matters anymore, when you feel frustrated, when you feel stuck, when you feel even depressed? Like, I want to give you my number one tip that I'm always using when I'm down, when I feel low, when I feel like what's the even point of doing things, because nothing really matters. So my number one advice to you is to either help somebody else or do something for other people, because by doing that, it's immediately going to raise your vibration like magic. It's gonna immediately change your mood. So you can call somebody, you can give free advice. If you are a coach, you can give a free consultation. If you are a YouTuber, you can create content for other people they will benefit from. You can do something, whatever that is, for other people. By doing this act of service, you are stepping outside of your own bubble, the negative bubble, which is low vibrational bubble, and you are automatically serving other people. And the way we are wired is that whenever we are helping other people, whenever we step outside of our own box, whenever we step outside of this limited bubble created by ego, the illusion of separation, that's when we feel alive. That's when we feel good. Whenever we help other people, we are in fact helping ourselves, because we are connected. We are all one. We are connected by the invisible field. We are connected by the quantum field. So whenever you do the act of service, which is act of love, act of sharing, whatever that is, you immediately raise your vibration, because you shift from that victim to that giver. And when you shift from the victim to that giver, and you giving that attention, that energy, act of service, love to other people, you will feel it immediately. Why? Because we are connected through the field. So you are actually giving it to you. So this act of service, it's so important right now. Actually, right now, it's so important. Whatever you are going through, whatever you are experiencing, and I'm sure that many of you are experiencing challenges on so many different levels, whether it's a financial challenge, personal challenge, health challenge, anything that you are experiencing, the best way for you to raise the vibe immediately is to step outside of your bubble, forget about your problems, and focus on other people. In fact, don't even focus on other people. Focus on that act of service, the act of giving to other people. That act alone is going to make you happy. And it doesn't even matter if the people will receive it. Doesn't even matter if people will appreciate it. What matters is that it's coming from your heart, and it's a pure act of love. And that act alone is going to change your vibration, and you're going to start feeling much better about yourself, much better about your life, and you instantly increase this vibration of yours. Because your vibration really depends on the way you think and the way you feel. So it comes down to first thinking, your thoughts, what kind of thoughts you are thinking, And then based on these thoughts, you're creating feelings within your body, and these feelings are influencing your field, the field around you, and that field is actually creating your reality. So if you want to create different reality, if you want to start a new business, if you want to multiply your income, even though you're doing everything right, but your mood is down because of the vibration, the collective vibration is very low these days. Like we have experiencing so many up and downs, you know, like recent election in US, you can feel the vibe all around the world. Doesn't matter whether you are in US or outside of the US, it's there. And so we have these extremes going on this year. And so obviously if you're sensitive, you can feel the vibe, you can feel the collective vibe, but then collective vibe will influence your own energy, your personal field. So it's your job to really, really focus on increasing this vibration so you can create that life you want, whether it's in business or in personal life, whatever you're working on. Because again, like doesn't matter what you do, as long as your vibration is low, it's going to be very difficult for you to manifest whatever that is that you want to manifest, right? Let's say you are starting your business, let's say you are doing everything right, let's say, I'm just giving you as an example because I've been coaching soulful entrepreneurs. Let's say you do everything properly, let's say you implement all the strategies, but your vibe is low, because your vibration is low, guess what? You're not going to manifest. You're not going to manifest that income. You're not going to manifest new clients because your vibration is so low. Nobody wants to come to you. Nobody wants to work with you because they can feel the energy. On the other hand, if you come from the place of service, if you come from the place of love, if you come from the place of selflessness, which is, by the way, the place outside of your ego, and by the way, the ego is just that illusion of separation, and you are separated from other people and the rest, which is illusion of itself. When you come from that selfless place, immediately you will increase the vibration. Immediately, guarantee. And in fact, I want you guys to do that. I want you to do this experiment right now, especially if you feel low, and then share with me how you feel afterwards. Leave a comment below. Let me know, guys, how do you feel after you do that kindness, the act of kindness for other people. And again, don't worry about the outcome, because if you worry about the outcome, guess what? It's calculative. It's not unconditional. So that's not going to make that happen. That's not going to raise your vibration. If you're doing something with attachment, it's calculation. It's condition there, right there. It's a business deal. It's not unconditional. But if you do that unconditionally, it's going to come from your heart. You expect the magic happen, not only for you, but possibly for the other people, because they will be surprised. Oh my God, this person is just giving so freely. You know what I mean? So that's how we can actually raise the vibe. That's how we can change other people's lives right now. And I encourage you to really do this daily, because if you do it daily, you're not only going to raise the vibe of yourself, your body, but you're going to help other people. And right now, everybody needs love. Everybody needs support. This is what we need right now. This is what the world really, really needs. In fact, I made a video where I did explain how love can literally save humanity. I will be linking the video here for you. And for those who want to even dig deeper, I have an entire book. In fact, it's here. Love is the Law book, which is kind of a blueprint how we can actually change humanity. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. And again, if you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.